Welcome to Cutting Edge Aviation. Today, we're exploring India's latest defense acquisition, the MQ-9 Reaper. A cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle UAV from the United States. The MQ-9 Reaper, also known as the Predator B, is a multi-mission, unmanned aerial vehicle UAV designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat. With a length of 11 meters, wingspan of 20 meters, and maximum takeoff weight of 4,900 pounds, the Reaper is a formidable asset for any military. In 2020, India signed a landmark deal with the United States to acquire 4 MQ-9 Reaper UAVs, worth over $3 billion. This strategic partnership enhances India's surveillance and combat capabilities, particularly in the Indian Ocean region. The MQ-9 Reaper boasts advanced sensors, radar, and communication systems, enabling real-time intelligence gathering and targeting, armed with Hellfire and Paveway missiles. The Reaper can engage ground targets with precision, enhance surveillance and reconnaissance, increase precision strike capability, real-time battle management, extended loader time up to 27 hours. The MQ-9 Reaper is a significant addition to India's defense arsenal, bolstering its strategic capabilities and regional influence.